Want to reuse other people's content on Instagram legally? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the correct way to repost and reuse content without getting copyright issues. First, keep in mind that reusing content on Instagram means sharing or repurposing media created by others, but only properly and respectfully. It's very important to always follow copyright rules and give proper credit to the original creator before using any content. Now, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Sharing and Remixes, or in some versions, it may appear as Sharing and Reuse, depending on your iPhone or app update. Here you'll find settings like Allow others to share your posts and reels. This controls how your content can be reused by other people. From here, you can manage your content sharing permissions and understand how reposting works on Instagram. If you are reusing someone else's content, always tag or mention the original creator in your post. This helps give proper credit and avoids copyright issues. Also, make sure the content you share follows Instagram community guidelines and copyright policies. And that's how you can legally reuse content on Instagram while staying safe and respectful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram growth and social media tips.